In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make image to video using Grok. We'll begin our creative journey by navigating directly to the Grok platform. This is your essential starting point for transforming static images into dynamic video content. Simply open your preferred web browser and accurately type in the official Grok website address. Once the page has fully loaded, you'll find yourself on the primary interface, which is intuitively designed to guide you through its various creative tools. It's a crucial first step to ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection, as you'll be uploading your image assets and generating complex video files. This initial action is foundational, setting the stage for the innovative features and functionalities we're about to explore. Now that you're successfully on the Grok homepage, your next immediate action is to locate and click on the Imagine option. This feature is prominently displayed within the left-hand navigation panel of the platform's interface. The Imagine section is specifically designed as the dedicated workspace for all your image-to-video conversion and generative AI tasks. Selecting this option will transport you to the main canvas, where you can begin the exciting process of bringing your static pictures to life. Even if you're new to Grok, the layout is user-friendly, making this button straightforward to find and click, opening up your creative possibilities for video generation. With the Imagine section now active, it's time to introduce the visual foundation of your video, your chosen image. Look for the clearly designated upload area on the screen. This is where you will transfer your static picture into the Grok environment. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be utilizing an iconic image of the Statue of Liberty. You have the flexibility to either drag and drop your image file directly into this zone, or you can click a Browse or Upload button to select the image from your computer's local storage. Once uploaded, Grok will efficiently process the image, preparing it for the subsequent stages of transformation. Always ensure your photo is high quality and appropriate resolution for the best visual results in your final video output. Now this is where your imagination takes flight and truly begins to shape your creation. After your image is uploaded, you'll provide Grok with a detailed textual prompt, which effectively acts as your script for the AI. This tells the system precisely how to animate your static picture into a dynamic video. For our Statue of Liberty example, the prompt we're using is quite elaborate. Create a funny video where the Statue of Liberty suddenly comes to life and discovers she can both swim and fly. Start with her splashing into the water, doing an awkward doggy paddle while tourists on boats look confused. Then she takes off into the sky, soaring over New York City, making funny comments like, "Who knew I could fly?" Add quirky sound effects, playful animations, like her struggling to keep balance or dodging clouds, and text pop-ups with funny thoughts running through her mind. Make it silly and full of unexpected moments, like her trying to avoid planes or performing random swimming strokes mid-air. Crafting a clear, descriptive, and imaginative prompt is absolutely key to achieving the video you envision. With your detailed and imaginative prompt now carefully crafted and entered into the designated text box, the next crucial action is to initiate the generation process. Simply locate and click the Submit button, which you'll typically find clearly displayed, often situated right below the prompt input field. This pivotal click sends your uploaded image and your precise textual instructions to Grok's powerful AI engine, signaling it to begin the complex work of transforming your creative vision into a dynamic video. Consider this your definitive go button. Before you click, it's always an excellent practice to quickly review your prompt one last time for any adjustments, typos, or missing details, ensuring the AI has the most accurate guidance. Immediately after clicking Submit, you'll enter a crucial processing period. Grok's advanced AI will be diligently at work, interpreting your detailed prompt, thoroughly analyzing the uploaded image, and expertly synthesizing all elements to generate your custom video. The exact waiting time can vary based on the complexity of your instructions, the image size, and the current system load. During this period, you might see a progress indicator or a message confirming that your video is actively being created. It's important to remain patient and avoid refreshing the page, as this could interrupt the generation process. Simply allow the platform sufficient time to complete its sophisticated creative task. After the generation process is complete, your new video will immediately appear on your screen. This is a crucial moment. It's time to meticulously review Grok's creation. Watch the video carefully, from beginning to end, paying close attention to every detail. Assess how accurately it aligns with your initial prompt and the animation you envisioned for your image. Look for any inconsistencies, elements that don't quite match your instructions, or areas that could be improved. This comprehensive review allows you to identify necessary corrections or refinements before proceeding, ensuring the final output truly meets your desired quality and creative intent for your image-to-video conversion. If, following your detailed review, the generated video doesn't quite meet your expectations or requires significant changes, Grok offers an easy solution. Don't worry, you don't need to start over completely. Simply locate the Redo button, usually found near the video playback controls. Clicking Redo will prompt Grok to regenerate the video. It typically uses your existing prompt and image, but attempts a fresh interpretation or slight variations based on its algorithms. This feature is incredibly useful for fine-tuning your creation, allowing for multiple attempts until you achieve the perfect visual outcome without losing your initial inputs or having to re-enter your prompt. Once you have a video you're largely happy with, you might want to enhance its visual quality and crispness. To access this powerful feature, look for the three-dotted line icon, often referred to as an ellipsis or a More Options menu. This icon is usually located strategically on or near the video display area, serving as a gateway to additional functionalities. Clicking these three dots will reveal a small drop-down menu or a context panel presenting various advanced options. Upscaling can dramatically improve the resolution and clarity of your video, making it appear more polished and professional for various uses in viewing environments. After clicking the three-dotted menu, a list of options will appear. Among these, you'll clearly see Upscale. Go ahead and click this. Selecting Upscale tells Grok to enhance the resolution and detail of your generated video. This process typically takes a bit more time, as the AI works diligently to intelligently add pixels and sharpen visuals, transforming it into a higher definition version. Upscaling is particularly beneficial if your initial video appears slightly blurry or pixelated, or if you simply desire a crisper, more professional output suitable for various uses and larger screens, ensuring your content looks its best. Once you are completely satisfied with your video, whether it's the initial generation or an upscaled version, the next step is to save it to your device. To do this, simply locate the download button. This important button is typically found at the bottom of the video display interface, making it easily accessible. Clicking this button will promptly initiate the download process, saving your video file to your computer's designated downloads folder or wherever your browser is set to store files. This allows you to keep a permanent copy of your creation, share it offline, or integrate it into other projects with ease and convenience. Beyond downloading your video for local storage, Grok also offers a highly convenient option to create a shareable link. This is incredibly useful if you want to quickly share your video with others without manually uploading the file. To use this feature, simply locate the Share Link button, typically situated right next to the Download button. Clicking this will generate a unique URL that points directly to your video on the Grok platform. You can then easily copy this link and paste it into emails, messages, or social media posts, allowing anyone with the link to instantly view your impressive creation online, facilitating easy dissemination. Grok further streamlines your sharing process by offering a direct option to post your newly created video to Twitter. This integration makes it incredibly easy to share your creative work with a wider audience instantly. To use this feature, simply locate the dedicated Twitter post or Share to Twitter button. This button is often found alongside the Download and Share link options. Clicking it typically opens a new window, pre-populating a tweet with a direct link to your video and a default message. You can then customize the tweet with your own text, relevant hashtags, and mentions before publishing it directly to your Twitter feed, making the sharing process remarkably efficient.